Speak English confidently. Beginner's Lesson 3 Introduction. Hey there, welcome back. In the last lesson, we learned how to introduce ourselves, answer simple questions, and practice pronunciation. Today, we're taking it further. If you want to speak English fluently, focus on 3 things: expanding your vocabulary, expressing yourself clearly, understanding native speakers. In this lesson, we'll learn new expressions, practice real-life conversations, improve pronunciation, and use essential grammar. Tips. All right, let's go. Part 1. Using common expressions. In conversations, learning common expressions helps you sound more natural in English. Let's go over some phrases you can use in daily life. Expressions for agreeing. That's A. Good idea. I totally agree with you. Exactly. Now tell me, how would you agree with someone? Expressions for asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? I have a question. Could you explain that again? Now, practice asking for help. What would you say? Expressions for giving your opinion. I think this restaurant is great. In my opinion, learning English is fun. I believe practice makes perfect. Now tell me, how would you share your opinion? Using expressions like these makes conversations easier and more natural. Part 2. Talking about past experiences now. Let's learn how to talk about past experiences using the past tense. Example 1. Talking about a trip. Where did you go last weekend? I went to the beach with my friends. We had a great time. Now tell me, where did you go last weekend? Example 2. Talking about school or work. What did you do at work or school yesterday? I worked on a project and had a meeting with my boss. Now tell me, what did you do yesterday? Example 3. Talking about a fun experience. Have you ever tried something new? Yes, I tried sushi for the first time last week, and it was delicious. Now tell me, have you ever tried something new? Talking about past experiences helps you connect with others and share your stories. Part 3. Improving your listening. Skills to understand native speakers, you need to train your ears. Let's practice listening and repeating. Short conversation 1. Person. A. What time does the train leave? Person B. It leaves at 10:30 a.m. Now listen and repeat. What time does the train leave? It leaves at 10:30 a.m. Short conversation 2. Teacher. Can you explain your answer? Student. Sure. I think the answer is correct because of the rule we learned. Now listen and repeat. Can you explain your answer? Sure. I think the answer is correct because of the rule we learned. Listening to short conversations helps you understand real English better. Party. 5. Real-life role-playing scenarios. Now let's practice real conversations. At a clothing store salesperson. Can I help you find something? Customer. Yes, I'm looking for a jacket. Salesperson. What size do you need? Customer. I need a medium, please. Now, let's switch roles. You be the customer. Can I help you find something? What size do you need? Well done. At a doctor's office. Doctor. What seems to be the problem? Patient. I have a headache and a sore throat. Doctor, you might have a cold. Get some rest and drink lots of water. Now, you be the patient. What seems to be the problem? You might have a cold. Get some rest and drink lots of water. Great work. Role-playing helps you feel confident in real situations. Part 6. Grammar for speaking using was and where. Let's review was and were. Use was with I, he, she, it. I was at the park yesterday. She was tired after work. Use were with you, we, they. You were late this morning. They were excited for the trip. Now, complete this sentence. He, very happy today. Correct answer. He was very happy today. Try another one. We are at the mall last night. Correct answer. We were at the mall last night. Awesome. Grammar helps you speak correctly and confidently. Part 7. Mini conversation. Practice. Now, answer these questions in full sentences. What did you do last weekend? Have you ever tried something new? What do you usually eat for lunch? What do you do when you feel tired? Why are you learning English? Speaking out loud makes you more fluent and confident. Practice every day, even for 10 minutes.